Good morning students, I am Shomajit sir. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on topic origin and evolution in human beings or origin and evolution in man. So this is from the chapter evolution. So watch the entire lecture to get basics out of it. So without any delay, let's start with the topic origin and evolution in human being. So let's start. So let's start with the topic a brief account of evolution, that is we'll see the origin and evolution in human being. So you can see in this account of evolution, you can see in the left hand side there is evolution of plants, and in the right hand side you can see there is evolution in animals. Okay, so in the last class I have discussed about the zoological time scale. So today we'll discuss about the origin and evolution in human beings or man. So let's start with it, origin and evolution of man. So you can see the pictures how human beings have evolved. Now the first one is we'll see that Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus. Okay, so you can see the pictures of Dryopithecus and Ramapithecus. So it was 15 million years ago. They were hairy, walked like gorillas and chimpanzees. So Dryopithecus more ape-like, whereas Ramapithecus more man-like. Okay, so here we can see the difference. Dryopithecus is more or less ape-like and Ramapithecus is man-like, and it is its origin is 15 million years ago, and they are hairy. They have a lot of hairs on their body. So you can see 3 to 4 millions ago there were man-like primates in Eastern Africa. They had height up to 4 feet and walked upright. Okay, so they are walked upright, they are walking upright. This belief is based on fossils of man-like bones found in Ethiopia and Tanzania. Okay, so we can find this evidence from the fossils of man-like bones found in Ethiopia and Tanzania. Now let's move to Australopithecus. So these people have originated 2 million years ago. They lived in East African grassland. They hunted with stone weapons. This particular human beings or this particular species hunted with stone weapons, and they ate fruits. You can see the picture in the right hand side. Next is Homo habilis. So you can see the picture in the right hand side. This particular man is under Homo habilis. They have originated 2 million years ago. First human-like being. Okay, that's hominid. Okay, so they are the first human-like being, that is hominid. Brain capacity is 650 to 800 cc. Okay, so brain capacity is 650 to. So Homo habilis, they did not eat meat. Okay, next we move to Homo erectus. Okay, so you can see the picture on the right hand side, Homo erectus. So this particular species originated in 1.5 million years ago. The brain capacity is 900 cc, and they ate meat. This particular species, they eat meat. Okay, so next you can see Homo neanderthalis. Okay, so Neanderthal man, you can see there 1 lakh, that is 1 lakh to 40,000 years ago. Okay, and the brain capacity is 400 cc, and they lived in East and Central Asia. Used hides, okay, to protect their body, and buried their deads. So they buried their dead. So this was all about Homo neanderthalensis. Okay, so next we can see is Homo sapiens, that is modern man. So 75,000 to 10,000 years ago, this ice age. Prehistoric cave art developed about 18 years ago. Agriculture and human settlements, that is 10,000 years ago. Okay, so you can see agriculture and human settlements in the 10,000 years ago. and prehistoric cave art was developed in 18,000 years ago. So you can see the sequence of human evolution. One is Dryopithecus, the primitive one, Dryopithecus, then Ramapithecus, then Australopithecus, then Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Homo neanderthalis, then Homo sapiens. Okay. So you can see hominid family. Okay, you can see the hominid family. Next, you can see a comparison of the skulls of number one, adult modern human being, baby chimpanzees and adult chimpanzee. So you can see the skull differences. The skull of baby chimpanzee is more like adult human skull than adult chimpanzee skull. Okay, so again I repeat, the skull of baby chimpanzee, okay, the skull of baby chimpanzee is more like adult human skull than adult chimpanzee skull. So there is a comparison between the first one is adult modern human being, then second one is baby chimpanzee, and third one is adult chimpanzee. So thank you, students. So thank you, students. This was all about the interview lecture. Today I've discussed about the origin and evolution in man. So stay at home, stay safe, and watch the interview lecture to get basics out of it. So I'm Shomajit sir signing off for today, and again we'll meet in the next class. Thank you, students.